3, 2, 1, go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah. Today I'm super excited, way more excited than the clay slime unboxing video, because this is another slime video, slime unboxing, another. My hair. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this magnetic putty. It is I heard about putties that they are just like slime. So I'm just gonna say slime or putty. So this is what it looks like. This says magnetic putty and the color is silver. I hope you guys can see. It says bounce, stretch, tear, shape, shatter and flame. Will not stain, toxic. So that's good, because sometimes whenever I'm playing with these slime, I get them on my shirt, on my clothes. That's cool. And on the back, it just like, yeah. So this is the packaging. I really like the color silver. They also had purple, yellow, green colors, but I said I really want silver color because that really shows up and really shows like it's magnetic. Like that looks really magnetic. So I'm gonna open it in front of you guys. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. The putty is actually in a package. I'm so happy! It came with its own magnet. I thought I'm gonna have to buy a separate magnet for this, but thankfully it came with its own. So it's a little cube magnet, and it came with 3 googly eyes. These googly eyes are awesome, I can say. It's like a really metallic and pearly finish. It also has glitter, I guess. So guys, I'm gonna get a closer look at this. And I'm also gonna tell you how it's magnetic, and I'm also gonna show you and make some shapes out of this. So guys, I'll be right back. So I am gonna open this up. So wow, I really like this. Like what is this? There's like a brownish, grayish, dark gray part in it. Kinda really mystery. So it says that it's gonna stretch. It does. And then on the package it also says it's tear. You can shape it, you can shatter it. I'm gonna shape it into a poop, and then we're gonna see if it's magnetic from the poop. A magnetic poop. Quickly add the eyes. Oh no! I'm gonna take my magnet and wow. I've learned that you can move your magnetic putty or slime anyway, in any direction with the magnet. Now we're gonna see if the poop absorbs it. Wow! That's cool! It's like literally eating it. I've noticed that whenever in whatever place I put the magnet and it absorbs it, that place starts to poof up. Like it starts to like make a bubble and poof up. Look, you see, there's a bubble. Now slowly the putty will absorb it. I mean eat it or whatever. It's going. There you go. Ah! Ah! Release me. Ah! The poor magnet has gone forever. You see guys how the place where the magnet is, the place is poofing up. Okay. So guys, that's it. I love this. It's so cool. So guys, that was it. I am so happy with what I've got, and it's so cool, so powerful, and so pretty metallic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every single time when I post new videos, and you have to like, comment and share. I would really appreciate that. And bye guys. I really need 1 hour to play with this. Bye bye. The sun is shining and the magnetic putty is stretching. It is covering the sun. No! But the sun can't be magnetic. It needs to be. Let's see. No! Oh no!